This free tutorial will show you on how to add audio music track fast in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you want to add an audio or music track to your clips in Capcut PC. As you can see, there's currently nothing playing, it's currently silent. The first step you can do this is go to the top left hand screen in Capcut PC and click the second option, or the audio tab. Underneath the music tab, you have a list of 3 different Capcut PC music tracks or audio that you can implement completely for free. Go to Beats and click the plus option or add to the audio track. As you can see, you might have to drag this to the left. Another option you can do is to click and locate on your computer and then drag it onto the timeline like so, and it's going to copy the audio or music sound piece. Feel free to mess around in the audio tab in Capcut PC completely for free.